Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your GK class. Today, the chapter that we are going to study is India's protection, and this is chapter number 11. You all know that Army, Navy, and Air Force are the three defense forces of India. These are the three forces on which India depends for its protection. So, we are going to study about them only today, and we will see what type of questions or what extra knowledge we can gain by answering this chapter. So let's quickly start with the chapter. The first question here says, name the three service of armed force of India. Yes, so Abhi just right now I told you the name of the three forces of armed force of India, and the right answer is Army, Navy, and Air Force. Now the next question says, where are the headquarters of Indian Army? Yes, the headquarters of Indian Army is in Delhi. So the right answer is New Delhi. Kindly write it. The second question says, name the two commands of the Air Force. The two functional commands of Air Force are training and maintenance. Yes, the training and maintenance is really very important for Air Force. Then the next question says, how many Sainik schools are there in India? We have 25 Sainik schools all over India. Sainik schools are there where the students, where the children of these people can study. We are not talking about the army public school, we are talking about the Sainik school. Yes, now you all must have listened or you all must have heard the word Interpol. So, what is actually the full form of Interpol? Without just watching the video, can you let me know? Yes, the full form of Interpol is International Criminal Police Organization. This work, the work of Interpol is to find out the people who are very harmful for the society, for the countries, and they work together as an organization to find such kind of people. Now the next video says, name the oldest paramilitary force in India. The oldest paramilitary force of India is the Assam Rifle. It's the oldest paramilitary force of India. The next question says, name the first nuclear powered submarine. And yes, and the right answer is Arihant. It is the first nuclear powered submarine of India. Now the name of the highest gallantry award in India is Paramveer Chakra. You all must have seen on 26 January or 15 August these kind of events just held are there organized. So it is Paramveer Chakra, that is the highest gallantry award of India. Now what does ISI mean? What is the meaning of ISI? This is again different kind of not different, this is also this is again organization that works against the criminal, finding out them, and all the work is done in a hidden way. They do not reveal the work unless until they have the exact target. Yes, so what is the answer? What does ISI mean to us? It is inter service intelligence. Inter service intelligence, which is the backbone of every army. Infantry is the backbone of every army. Now name the agency that guards our international border. The international border are guarded by border security forces, and the right answer is also border security forces. Name the Indian Navy aircraft. Yes, so now we have to do the 12th one. Name the Indian Navy aircraft decommissioned in January 1997. Now, decommissioned means that it had withdrawn from the service, means it had stopped its service. So, the Indian Navy craft that stopped its service in 1997 was INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant was one which withdrew its services in 1997. Now, name the active Indian Navy aircraft carrier. So, the Active Indian Navy aircraft carrier is INS Vikramaditya. INS Vikramaditya is the active aircraft carrier of India. Name India's multi-barrel rocket launcher. The multi-barrel rocket launcher is Pinaka, and the right answer is also Pinaka. Now name the India Navy aircraft carrier decommissioned in 2017. 2017, when another aircraft was had withdrawn from its services, and it is INS Virat. And the last one here says, name the Indian Navy aircraft carrier to be built in Cochin Shipyard Limited and introduced into India Navy in 2030. This is to be introduced in 2030, and it is INS Vishal. So students, we had done the explanation of this particular video, and as I suppose it's clear to you all. The PDF of the same would be sent today in the classroom only. So kindly complete the PDF and just write the right answers correctly. Now this page, the page chapter number 12 and the topic name and fame. This is for homework. So kindly complete it. I would be sending you the PDF of this chapter in the next classroom. Take care, study very nicely and prepare very nicely for your test, unit test 2. Have a good day.